Day 5 of the Apple River stabbing trial, and while the state continues to make its case, it was the defense that called a number of witnesses today.
Fox 9's Rob Olson is live outside the St. Croix County Courthouse. Rob, why did the case deviate from what would be normal procedure here?
Yeah, this was very unusual, but for practical reasons. Usually the prosecution will exhaust all their witnesses and rest, and then it's the defense's turn. In this case, the prosecution's pace had been going pretty quickly, and the next witnesses weren't ready yet or available yet. So defense witnesses took up most of the day today. They were made up of friends of Nicolae Miu's who were with him that day, who talked about his character, his behavior, what they saw, and what, importantly, they did not see.
At that moment, when I saw Nick in the water, I saw somebody hitting him. That's the only thing I saw.
Ernesto Torres-Chaguez considers Nicolae Miu his best friend and testified Miu often carried a pocket knife, that the only reason Miu had the knife he used as a deadly weapon on the Apple River is because he'd asked Nicolae to bring it.
Because the last time we went to the river, we had all the inner tubes tied together, and we couldn't cut the cords, so we had to pull them out of the river all together and bring them up to the place where we had to leave them.
Ernesto was among a large group tubing with Miu July 30th, 2022. Many wore their phones in waterproof lanyards, and their testimony Friday all used interpreters.
And I believe a woman came over towards him to hit him. Nick responded. He defended himself.
It was Ariel Chaguez's lost phone that Miu was looking for downriver that led to the confrontation that left Isaac Schumann dead and 4 others injured. Chaguez recalled seeing one victim holding the gaping wound on his stomach.
He was shouting, "Look what you did to me." He was kind of yelling or shouting at Nick.
Miu's friends all testified he was defending himself, but admit they were too far away to see who struck first, and that it happened so quickly, and that afterwards Miu had said nothing about what did happen, but he was visibly in shock.
Yes, but we didn't talk about anything. We didn't talk about anything. Nothing was asked.
You ever seen him scared before?
Nunca. Never.
Did he look like he was scared then?
Sí. Yes.
Now, this will continue on Monday. The prosecution then calling witnesses again. They have a couple of left. They indicated they could be resting their case now on Monday or Tuesday. Then the defense picks up again after, again, getting a bit of an early unorthodox start today. And then they would probably take a couple of days, too. At this point, though, no indication whether Nicolae Miu will take the stand in his own defense. They have not said yet whether that will happen. We'll see next week. Live in Hudson, Rob Olson, Fox 9.